Today we're going to be talking about equations. Whenever you think of equations, think of them as a balanced scale. So whatever you do to one side, you have to do it to the other side in order to keep it balanced. To solve, you must get the variable by itself. To get the variable by itself, you must do the opposite of the sign given. The equal sign separates the equation into two sides, so that's how we get our balanced scale, is through the equal sign. So right here we're given x plus 16 equals 27. We must do the opposite of the sign, so we have an addition sign, so we're going to subtract, and then we're going to subtract 16. But then we have to do the same thing on the other side of the scale, on the other side of our equal sign. So we're going to subtract 16 over here. We have positive 16 minus 16, so we know that that gives us 0, but we're just going to bring the x down because we don't need to bring the 0 down. So what we're left with is x, bring down your equal sign, and then 27 minus 16 is 11. So x would equal 11. Let's take a look at a couple more examples. Our first example is s plus 10 equals negative 5. Since we have an addition problem, we're going to do the opposite, which is subtract. So we're going to subtract 10. Then we're also going to subtract 10 on the other side of our equal sign. So positive 10 subtract 10, we know is 0, but that just cancels out. So we're just going to bring down the s on this side of the equal sign. Bring our equal sign down. Then negative 5 minus 10, we know from integers we have to make it plus a negative. So negative 5 plus negative 10 equals negative 15. So s equals negative 15. Now if you look at this one, m minus 6 equals 6. So this is a subtraction problem. So the opposite of subtraction is to add. So we're going to add 6 to this side. On the other side of the equals, we're also going to add 6. Negative 6 plus 6, we're just going to cancel out because that's 0. Bring down our letter. Also bring down our equal sign. 6 plus 6 equals 12. So m equals 12.